Hey everyone, welcome to class. Let's do some quick sketches today. We'll be using a pencil and paper. As always, it's my go-to when I start class with students. So I've always practiced drawing with my students, and that keeps me sharp as a pencil. And hello Mr. Cheesy. Thank you for joining us today. Class has started, please be quiet. We are trying to focus. We're learning how to draw, Mr. Cheesy. We're using curved lines, we're using straight lines and directional lines like diagonal, vertical, and we're using wavy lines, different line types and patterns and shapes too. You know, the stuff we learn in school during art class, and we're practicing how to draw to become better. My daughter has a really pretty butterfly kite, and we took that one and the Spider-Man kite down to the river bottoms and we got to fly it. I love flying kites. It was a super fun day, so I thought it would be fun to create a drawing. We're gonna add clouds in the sky, and we're gonna shape out all of our kites and then color them in. Go ahead and get your drawing materials ready if you have pencils or markers, and we're gonna have a practice session. What we're looking at now is just kind of the idea. All right, let's get ready to begin. Pause the video if you need. It's gonna go quick, so just pause it anytime you need to draw. We're gonna do it line by line. Starting with a triangular top, we'll make a diamond. In the inside, we're gonna create a lowercase letter T using slightly curved lines. For the tail, make a wavy line because the wind is blowing it, and create a pattern of sideways bow ties or sideways 8. It could be half heart pattern too, that follows the line of the tail. Go ahead and color in your diamond. Our next kite is a stunt kite. Use 2 curved lines to make a triangle and a vertical line down the center. It'll kind of look like an arrow. From there, we're using 2 curved lines to connect the kite, and then we're adding 3 wavy lines as tails. Color it in. Use a diagonal line to create the string. I use the pin for mine because it has a nice, sharp, clean line. You can see some pretty satisfying footage of the spool of string unraveling in slow motion. That's from my daughter's kite. It's a butterfly kite. To draw our butterfly, we put a skinny oval, that's the body, and then we put 2 half hearts on their sides. It's basically sideways hearts. And you'll make the larger curved line more round and the smaller curved line with a slightly smaller size to create that butterfly look. Use polka dots, use circles and lines, color in your butterfly, and there we go, we have our butterfly kite. For the birds, we'll just use a curved line V, and for the clouds, a wavy line on the bottom with a scalloped line on top. Go ahead and bold in your lines using a marker. Use that scalloped line on top of the cloud and a wavy line on bottom. Boom, we did it. Let's go. Like and